Earthquake! Wait, what?
Wait.
Everything is shaking.
Come here.
Earthquake! Oh my gosh. There's seriously an earthquake going on, people.
Put 14 on quick.
Late Saturday and early Sunday, but again, the eastern part of the state could...
See if Tony Candy's room is open.
No, all my friends are saying earthquake.
I think we did.
Oh my god, we had an earthquake! That was so cool.
Yeah, me too. Everything's shaking.
My first earthquake. Oh my god, we had an earthquake! Oh shoot! I might as well make a beta. This is a beta! This is a beta, day 23. And we had a freaking earthquake just now. Oh my god, I'm not even kidding. Everyone on Facebook is saying we had an earthquake. I gotta get a bag in case we had to go out of the house. And I'm taking my laptop with me. Freaking, I'm packing. If we have another earthquake, it can be a big earthquake. So I gotta get out of here. Got my brush skiz. Get my brush. Is that an earthquake? Oh my gosh, this is serious. I gotta take food. We live in North Carolina. Ever thought of earthquakes, people? Never thought we would have an earthquake in North Carolina. Never. That was like a freaking... I'm not even kidding. That felt like a California earthquake. That felt like a freaking California earthquake because everything was literally shaking like... It was... Okay, so I'm on my computer and everything is like literally shaking like that. And I'm like... And the lamp was moving and I'm like, oh my god. There was an earthquake. I'm about to get out of this building and there's another earthquake. I'm about to run out of this building. Because there can be aftershocks. I don't know. I've never been through an earthquake. That was my first earthquake. Oh snap. So I'm about to go see if I have any damage in my room. Oh my gosh, no. Okay. Oh, okay. Let me see. That was up here. And these all fell. I had them stacked up like a pyramid and they fell. These fell this way. They're normally up like that. And they must have fell. Okay. Oh, must say these fell. No, they were up on the desk. Minor damage up in the room area. I'm glad to be alive. Through my first earthquake. Now I'm going to keep vlogging in case we get aftershock. This is a big thing. This is a big thing.